Alright, this composite figure is made up of two shapes. It's a half of a sphere and a cylinder. So to answer the first question, name the three-dimensional figures you can use. So we're going to use 1/2 of a sphere and a full cylinder. Okay, so we'll start with the cylinder. To find the volume of a cylinder, we're going to use area of the base times the height. The area of the base is a circle, so we're going to use pi r squared times the height. So the radius, since the diameter is 4, the radius is 2, and our height is 2.5. So 4 pi times 2.5 is going to be 4 times pi times 2.5 is approximately 31.42 centimeters cubed. Now we need to find the sphere, half of the sphere, so we'll find the sphere and then divide it by 2, which is 4/3 pi r cubed, and we'll divide that by 2. So 4/3 pi times the radius, which again is 2 cubed, and then divide by 2. 2 cubed is 8. So we can calculate this top. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 divided by 3 is 10.66. We can just multiply it by the pi, times the pi is 33.51 divided by 2 is 16.76 centimeters cubed. Now the total volume you have to add together. So 31.42 plus 16.76 gives us 48.18 centimeters cubed. Now this shape is made up of a rectangular prism and half of a cylinder. So we'll say rectangular prism and 1/2 of a cylinder. You can see we can cut off our cylinder right here, and this length will be 12 because the side across from it's 12. So since this is 12, the radius of our cylinder is going to be 6. Both sides are 6 each. So we can find the volume of our box by using length times width times height, and that's going to be 10 times 12 times 24, and that's 24 times 12 times 10, 2,880 inches cubed. And the cylinder is going to be area of the base times height divided by 2, because we're only using half of the cylinder. The area of the base is pi r squared times the height divided by 2. The radius is 6, so 6 squared times the height. Height of the between the bases is 10, because this side is 10. So we'll use times 10 divided by 2. So that will end up being 360 pi divided by 2, 180 pi is 565.49 inches cubed. And we're not done yet because we need to find the total volume. So the total volume will end up being 2,880 plus 565.49 for a total of 565.49 3,445.49 inches cubed. I'm running out of space here. We'll do the total volume of this last shape, and this last shape is made up of a full cylinder in the middle here and a full sphere. So we just have to find the volume of a sphere and volume of a cylinder and add them together. So the base times height is going to be the cylinder. So the cylinder's area of the base is pi r squared times the height. Here's the shape of the base. Our radius is 2. So pi times 2 squared times the height, which is 2.5. So we can calculate that out. 4 times 2.5 times pi is 31.42 centimeters cubed. And then we can do the sphere, which is 4/3 pi r cubed. So 4/3 pi times the radius. Again, the radius of the cylinder is the same thing as the radius of the sphere, so 2 cubed. So that's 4/3 pi times 8, because 2 to the 3rd power is 8. 8 times 4 divided by 3 times pi is 33.51 centimeters cubed. So for a total volume of 31.42 plus 33.51, $64.93 centimeters cubed.